Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BerryFae, and in today's video we are doing a second SHEIN earrings haul. Okay, as you can see, we are bare, no earrings on. I'm just ready to get going because I got some amazing, beautiful, elegant earrings today, and I'm super excited to show y'all. Of course, there's lipstick on my teeth, of course. But y'all, I'm super excited for this earring haul. The last one did really well. This one is giving grown and sexy. It's giving woman. Okay, I got a few fun pieces too, like I did the last time, but this time I got a lot of more elegant styles and, you know, different shades and whatnot. So in total, I think I have 15 earrings to show y'all. So without further ado, let's get started, because the last time it took a while because it's a lot of pieces. I'm gonna start off with color first because, you know, I don't have that much color ones, but I do have some color options. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Leave a comment down below. The last video I got a few questions about them turning like discoloration in the material. I haven't experienced that with any of the ones from the last haul, so I doubt I'm gonna experience that again. For instance, this one is from the last haul, this orange and pink little ombre one. That's something I had from the last haul, and as you can see, let me take this, it's still giving, it's still nice and silver. There's no, like, you know, gunk on there. It's just pretty solid still, so I don't have any issues with them. All right, so here are the first pair of earrings. Sorry if it's getting washed out a little bit. They're these light blue and white little ombre effects. I really like it. So these are what they look like. I like them. They're giving, you know, going to brunch with the girls. I think these are really cute. What y'all think? I think this is super cute. I love the dangle. I love all that. It's so cute. 10 out of 10. Hey, man. Shh. I'm joking. Yeah, I'm recording, but yeah, I like these a lot. All right, so next we're gonna go into these green ones. These green ones look just like these that I have previously. These are in the same family. I had this from the last haul. Now we have it in green and white. I obviously already know I'm gonna like it. That's why I got another style, another color. So let's put it on. So here they are, again, same style as the orange ones. I like these little links. They're just so cute and dangly, and they're not heavy at all. I like these a lot. 10 out of 10. I like that. Perfect little pop of green. All right, so staying in the green family, we have these cute little green ones here. Let's go ahead and put them on. It's just super cute. It's like a little rope. I'm not putting the backs on because I'm, you know, constantly changing them. So I'm just gonna show you guys. And these are cute. I like this one. It's very lightweight. I love this. 10 out of 10. All right. So next, this is a 3-pack. All 3 of these came together. It's a green, a black, and a pink, a hot pink. I like this a little set here. So we're gonna just try them on really quick because they're all the same. I stole your robe. I stole your robe.
Baby.
What? I needed all black. I needed something that was all black. That wasn't a shirt.
I didn't even know it was in there anyway.
I'm gonna put it there.
Looking.
Who put your closet together? Jeez. I put it exactly where I knew I was gonna find it.
What you got to put in there?
Nothing.
I just want to show off the little what you got to too.
What?
You know how when you open it up, it shows the.
No, I just needed something that wasn't gonna mess up my hair. Thank you. Anywho. All right, so we have the pink one on this side. Love it. Not heavy at all. And then we have the lime green one here. What can I say? It's super cute. Easy throw on, pop of color. This will be really nice with like a black and white outfit with a pop of color and then like a little handbag type of thing. Yeah. 10 out of 10. I love this. Yep. So the black one obviously is going to be the same. Let me just show you guys that really quick. But I don't actually have any black earrings like at all. So I don't think people even realize like black is a color that you kind of could wear as earrings. So here are my first black pair of earrings. I like it. It's super cute. Do you own a pair of black earrings? I want to know, because this is like my first time ever really seeing like black earrings with nothing else. Like no other color. It's not gold and black, it's just black. I like it. And we have these little zebra earrings here. See, they're really cute. I would use this as a pop of style as well. I wouldn't wear this with like a zebra print. That's just doing too much. Like I would definitely wear this with like, I would wear these earrings with like a white cropped type of tee with jeans, and then put this as a pop of style. I like these a lot. These are cute. I love the dangle. As y'all can see, I pretty much have a type of style of earring I really like. I love studs too. I do have a few studs, but like dangly ones are more my style. Just because, I don't know, I feel like the way my face is, they look really good. And the links to every single one will be down below. So here are some gold dangly pearl. I like these a lot. These are cute. That's so cute. It's good for like a wedding or, you know, just like going to an event. This is really, really cute. I like this a lot. Next, we're gonna move into some gold and stuff like that. These are absolutely stunning. Like when I saw these earrings, like immediately, yes. Immediately, yes. And I also have them in this emerald green type of color. Like, oh my gosh. I really, really love these. Like these are just, like this is like the perfect, I just really love these. Like, oh my gosh. This one is hard to open. Can't lie. I got it open. Am I putting it in the wrong hole? All right, so here we have the clear with the gold little hoop. It's like I don't know what kind of shape you would call this, but I don't know, but I like this a lot. This is really nice. 10 out of 10. This is a good like everyday type of earring, like not doing too much. This one is really cute. Here's the green one. I haven't put any earrings in my second hole. I kind of wanted the second hole to close a little bit, y'all, but here I am putting one in there. And this is what the green one looks like. And I like it. I probably should let that second hole close because that hurts. Putting that green one in there actually really hurt. So I'm probably gonna let that one close officially and get it redone, because I don't like, I think I've mentioned this in the last video, I don't like how it's so close to the other one. I want to be able to wear a stud and like a hoop, but I can't do that because it's so close together. So, all right, next one, we're almost done. We only have 1, 2, 3, 5 more pairs left. Let's go into the gold. This one is kind of like that green one I showed y'all. Very similar to this style. Has a little hook that you hook on. Like, look at that. I really, really like this a lot. This is so cute. This is very, very elegant. Like, I really, really love this style. Like, this is absolutely just like elegant, honey. Like, I'm going to a wedding, I'm going to a birthday dinner. This is cute. I really like this. What y'all think? I like this a lot. This is so cute. Right? So here are these gold like circular knot earrings. I love these. Like, look at this. This is so cute. Like, hair pulled back. Yeah, I don't have the back in again. That's why it's like dangling like back like that. But if I had the back piece in, it would be, you know. But I love this. I have this in silver as well. Let's put the silver one on. This is absolutely a 10 out of 10. All right, so here are the silver ones. Let's just throw these on. After this, we only have 2 more and we are done. So here are the silver ones. They are just as cute as the gold ones. Same vibe. I just like this a lot. Silver hits. Like, I don't have much silver jewelry, so this one hits really, really well. I love this. 10 out of 10. All right, so here are the Bottega dupes, y'all. If you don't know that Bottega has these type of earrings, I'm here to let you know that they do. And here are some dupes from SHEIN. So here are the silver pair. love it. And now it's obviously the cheaper version. The regular Bottegas are not like this, but it gives you the effect, it gives you the shape, it gives you the style. And we also have them in gold. Yep. I just love this. Let's put it on right now. Oh my goodness. So here are the silver pair. I just love it. I think I'm gonna wear this one today because it just gives that a vibe, you know? Like, yeah, this is really cute. I really love this. Like, the style of it just screams elegant. Screams, let me check my calendar. Let me see if I can fit you in because I'm booked and busy. Yeah, that's the style this one gives. Absolutely love it. 10 out of 10. All right, so here are the last pair. This is the gold one. Oh, I don't know. It's just something about the gold one. The gold one is just like really like top. Now look at that. I'm gonna put the back piece on this one. I haven't put them on any of the other ones because, you know, constantly trying on. But I'm gonna leave these on. But here are the gold ones, y'all. They just look and they're not heavy. I can shake my ears and they don't hurt. I love the way they just feel. It's like a oof. It just, I love it. Y'all need to get these. These are little Bottega dupes. Again, dupe meaning it's not Bottega, but it could be if you really want it to be like in your head. But I'm not buying it because it's like Bottega. I just bought it because it was cute. Okay, love this. 10 out of 10. And don't forget, you guys, all the links to everything will be down below. I absolutely love this, and that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Please let me know if there's any questions that you have down below. Again, some of the main questions are, do they turn green? No. From the last haul, I've had it for about a year now, and they're still in great condition. Only one of my earrings have broken from the last haul, and it's these. These were the only ones that broke, and it wasn't really like it broke because it kind of broke because I don't know, something fell on it or something, but I still wear them. This one is not broken. As you can see, it has a back piece, but this one is, this middle section that holds the back piece fell out. So what I ended up doing, I don't know if you can see, I put a little flower. This whole thing is a separate earring. I put it inside that hole and just use it like that to hold up the earring. So that's the only one that broke from the last haul, but as you can see, it kind of still gives the same vibe. So this is literally just an earring inside of an earring, but it still works. I still love these earrings. I just think, obviously I could have bought another one, but once I figured I can put that through it, I'm like, there's really no point. Even though the earring was like $100, no, it was only like $1.50. I just didn't feel like buying it again because I don't know. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite pair. If you can remember, go back and scroll, and I'll see y'all in the next one.